Welcome to aminacademy.com. In engineering mechanics, let us discuss about graphical method for the velocity of piston of a reciprocating pump. Before that, look at this piston crankshaft arrangement. Here, rotational motion of a crankshaft is converted to reciprocating motion of the piston. That is, the piston is connected with the connecting rod with the crankshaft. Here we have to find the velocity of the piston by using graphical method as discussed below. Look at this figure. Here this is crank. Suppose here AB is a crank. Then point C here. Then BC is connecting rod. Due to reciprocating motion of a piston is converted to rotational motion of the crank. Here let this is a VC, velocity of the point C in horizontal position, and let this is a D. Now here the crank AB makes angle theta at particular instance to the horizontal. Now crank is rotating this direction. Now first of all we have to select suitable point A, which is the center of the crank. Draw a circle of radius with radius of equal to AB, that is a crank length of the mechanism. This is called AB is a crank length mechanism. Crank length. Through A, draw a horizontal line. Horizontal line meeting the circle at D and extended. This is DA is inner dead center, and the line DA AD is extended up to the point C. Draw AB at an angle theta through which the crank has turned at that instant. The velocity of the piston is required to be found out. That means the crank is rotating like this. At some instant, the crank AB makes theta degree to the horizontal. At the same time, what happened to the velocity of the piston? We have to find. Now, cut off BC equal length of connecting rod. Here, this BC is the connecting rod length. Now, extend the line AB and AB to the line. Extend the line AB. We have to draw a line connecting AB like AB. From this piston, draw a perpendicular then join them both. Join them both. Let this point is a O, that is instantaneous center. Now this draw perpendicular to AB. That is VB. Measure the length OB. Measure the length OB, OC. Use with the suitable scale, and we can let something now here. Omega 1. Let omega 1 is angular velocity of the crank AB. AB, which can be found by 2 pi n by 60 also, because n is RPM. Then omega 2 is angular velocity of connecting rod. Angular velocity of connecting rod BC. About O. In a radian per second. Both are about O, radian per second. Now R equal radius of crank AB. Radius of crank AB. Now velocity of B, is, we know that omega 1 angular velocity of that one into the length OB. We also know that the velocity of B is equal omega 2 into AB also. Because omega 2 is angular velocity of the connecting rod BC, angular velocity of the connecting rod crank AB, and which is equal omega 2 equal to omega 2, we have angular velocity of the connecting rod BC about O, and omega 1 is angular velocity of the crank AB, radian per second. Therefore we have VB is omega 2 OB and VB equal to omega 1 AB. Both are equal. Therefore we have equating omega 1 into OB equal omega 2 into AB. Then from that we can write omega 2 equal omega 1 omega 2 OB that is omega 2 OB over here omega to AB, here omega to OB, omega 1 first, omega 1 AB, small mistake, omega AB here, omega into OB, therefore we can write omega, both are equal, we can write omega 1 into AB equal omega 2 into OB. Therefore, omega 2 we can write omega 1 into AB over OB. Similarly, velocity of piston. Velocity of piston equal piston C, you can write VC equal omega 2 OC. Here velocity of piston is omega 2 into OC. Here this OC into omega 2. Now by substituting the value of omega 2, substituting omega 2 and above, we get VC equal omega 2 is already omega 1 AB over OB into OC, which is equal omega 1 AB is radius of the crank R into OC over OB. Therefore, from this we can find this is the velocity of the crank. Therefore, VC is velocity of crank. Velocity of crank is omega 1 angular velocity of that crank into so which is equal VB into OC by OB. Here R omega 1 is VB into OC by OB. Here OC and OB can be measured from the drawing, measured from this graphs. From that we can find the velocity of the crank is VC equal VB into OC by OB. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.